Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by separating 2-4 eggs, keep yolks for later. Use a clean, dry bowl because fat stops foam from forming. Add 1/8 teaspoon cream of tartar per 2 whites. This stabilizes the protein so air holds. Once done, set oven to 230 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment so nests hold shape. Now grab a whisk or fork, no electric mixer needed, and get ready to whip by hand to create stiff peaks. You whisk vigorously, starting slow then increasing speed. This traps air and builds structure. Whip for about 5 to 8 minutes until stiff peaks form. Lift the whisk and the foam holds a point. Once firm, gently fold in flavorings like 1-2 tablespoons grated cheese or herbs. Fold to retain air, not deflate it. Then spoon mounds onto the parchment and press a small well into each mound to cradle the yolk later. Make sure the bases are even so eggs bake uniformly. Once the nests are in the oven, bake for 3 to 4 minutes to set the exterior. Carefully add yolks into the wells and return to the oven for another 2 to 3 minutes until yolks reach your preferred doneness. Make sure to watch color. Golden edges mean overbaked, so reduce time next batch. If the whites collapse, the likely causes are underwhipping or grease contamination. Beat longer, use a pristine bowl, and avoid any yolk in the whites for a stronger foam.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.